Yeah, good day everyone. I go by the name Skyward. You can see this video. I am an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. Yeah, presently I'm still teaching people on how to make money on Clickbank, and so as you can see, this is really giving me great sales. So to earn big money like this, contact me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com. But first, watch my video to see what I have for you. Thank you.
What is affiliate marketing? It is simply just earning a commission or a fee for sharing a product or a service with your followers. There's absolutely no cost or fee for your followers to use your affiliate link. So let's say you go to a restaurant and you absolutely loved that restaurant. So of course, you go and you tell everybody you know about that restaurant. Now when somebody goes, on your recommendation, you get a commission on everything they buy. Affiliate marketing is basically the exact same concept.
Yeah, good day everyone. I go by the name Skyward. If you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I train people on how to make money online, and I want to show you how I make money on Clickbank affiliate marketing. Yeah, this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course and is doing excellently fine on his Clickbank affiliate marketing. Yeah, my software also work with other affiliate marketing platforms, and my video course will guide you step by step on how you can use my software to make big sales on any of your affiliate marketing platform. We all know that affiliate marketing, to get traffic to your affiliate marketing platform, there are two ways. It's either the free traffic system or the paid traffic system. And the paid traffic system include the Facebook ads, solo ad, YouTube ads, and paying freelancers to get organic traffic or traffic to your site. So the free traffic system, that is where I come in, because I have developed a software which I'll be using to get sales on my affiliate marketing platform, and this is the result. My software also gave my students this result you can see on the screen. So my software works by gathering leads online from digital platforms and promoting your affiliate link or platforms to these organic leads for you to get sales on any of your affiliate marketing platform. And my software is up for sale now, and it's very effective. And to get my software and video course, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen and get my software and video course. And my video course is going to guide you step by step. And if you have any question, I'm always accessible to my students. My students know that when you get my software and video course, I'm going to train you to make big money. Also, my software is very effective and you are going to get excellent sales like the one you can see on the screen. So get my software and video course today, and I'm going to and follow the steps in my video course, and you're going to get excellent sales like the one you can see on the screen. Yes, also there's restriction to some countries on Clickbank. If you are getting my software and video course, I'm going to create a Clickbank account for you, not minding the restriction of your country. I'm going to create an account for you, and I'm going to make sure you get big sales, because that's my own joy. The success of my students is my joy. So this platform is to make you aware of the new method, which is really giving me excellent sales, and I'm ready to train as many as are ready also to earn on affiliate marketing. So remember to get my software and video course, contact me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Once again, I go by the name Skyward and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.